Hi there, my name is Leoson Junior Setava. I'm a fifth year medical student at Makerere. You're welcome to today's video, and I'm talking about HIV and syphilis testing in the setting of the maternal and child healthcare. You are third year, fourth year, or fifth year medical student on the ward, and you've clocked your patient, you're very sure of your history, and now you want to test for HIV or syphilis. What would you do? First and foremost, you want to find out what your patient knows. If the patient knows their HIV or syphilis status, you'll be faced with a need to initiate treatment in both cases. But imagine your patient doesn't know their HIV status, but they know their syphilis status. There you would go ahead and treat the syphilis accordingly and notify the partner of their need to test for syphilis as well. If your patient knows their HIV status, but they don't know their syphilis status, you'd go ahead and test for the HIV using the national algorithm, which includes the determine, SD biolin, and stat pack. For the case where your patient does not know their status for HIV and they don't know their status for syphilis as well, you as the healthcare worker, you're faced with a need to use the HIV and syphilis duo test kit. This is a screening test for both HIV and syphilis, and it runs simultaneously. When you do use this HIV and syphilis duo test kit, and it is reactive for both, your patient is HIV positive and syphilis positive as well. So in this case, initiate syphilis treatment. Also, go ahead and confirm the HIV status using the stat pack kit. And if the stat pack kit is reactive, report this patient as HIV positive, initiate ART, and notify their partner about the status of your client. If the stat pack test is negative, this is the point where you go ahead and test immediately for HIV using the national algorithm. As I mentioned earlier, the determine, stat pack, and SD biolin algorithm. In the case where you use the HIV syphilis duo test kit and both are non-reactive, report your patient as HIV negative and syphilis negative, and encourage partner testing.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok for even more updates.